Sometimes you just need your phone to stop buzzing, flashing, and pulling your attention every few seconds. Whether you're working, resting, or simply trying to focus, constant notifications can ruin the moment. Your Xiaomi Redmi A5 has a built-in Do Not Disturb mode that can silence everything instantly, while still letting important alerts through if you choose. Here's how to turn Do Not Disturb on or off on Android 15. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Under the General section, tap Do Not Disturb. To mute everything right away, tap Turn On Now. You will see the Do Not Disturb icon appear in the status bar. Once enabled, all app alerts and notifications are silenced immediately. If you want certain people to still reach you, tap People. Choose the contacts you want to allow for calls or messages while Do Not Disturb is active. To allow notifications from specific apps, go back and tap Apps. Select or add the apps you want to interrupt you even when DND is turned on. For alarms and media sounds, tap Alarms and Other Interruptions. Choose which alarms or media sounds you want to allow through while notifications remain muted. You can also automate DND. Tap Schedules under the General section. Turn on Sleeping, then set the days, start time, and end time for DND to activate automatically. If you need something more flexible, tap Event to create a custom schedule for special occasions or specific situations. You can also control Do Not Disturb quickly from the notification panel. Swipe down to open it, then tap the Do Not Disturb icon to turn the feature on or off. If you want more options, long press the Do Not Disturb icon to jump straight into the full settings menu. There, you can adjust the settings to suit your privacy needs and preferences. It's a simple way to take control of distractions without shutting your phone down. And that's it. If this helps you keep your Redmi A5 quiet when it matters most, give it a like or watch another tutorial to learn more useful features. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.